Top 10. Best Dry Snorkels, Indulge while abroad. This is the best way to get a taste of all the beautiful underwater world has to offer. Number 10. Aqualung Impulse, Dry Snorkel will last you many years to come. A contour top allows for the least amount of drag as you move through the water, allowing your swim to feel even less restricted. A comfortable and flexible mouthpiece prevents against jaw fatigue as you will not need to bite down but rather just rest in the mouth. Low jaw fatigue. 2-year warranty. A comfortable and flexible. Number 9. Tusa Hyperdry Elite, a snorkel that has reduced drag and can even be put in a horizontal position for added speed. You won't have to worry about diving waves as the high-tech valve can detect water, and instantly closes so you never have to worry about water entering your tube. A large diameter tube will give you full breaths. 7 colors available. Lightweight design. Water entering your tube. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search Best Dry Snorkels or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 8. Oceanic Ultra Dry Snorkel, the chances of jaw fatigue. The lifespan on this dry snorkel will undoubtedly increase as it has a fully removable and replaceable mouthpiece. An ergonomic design allows this snorkel to excel in both comfort and performance. A low-profile design ensures unparalleled airflow. Full warranty. Replaceable mouthpiece. Comfort and performance. Number 7. XS Scuba M-Line 3D. A valve system closes when you descend into the water, and an easy-to-use button will purge any water that manages to get into the tube. You won't have to worry about exhaling to open the flap when you surface, as it will open automatically for you. The mouthpiece is completely adjustable. Stylish design. Adjustable mouthpiece. Completely adjustable. Number 6. Riffe Stable Scuba Diving, connect to your face mask. A low-profile design leads way to a comfortable mouthpiece that is molded to fit comfortably in your mouth. A flexible vinyl tube folds easily to fit easily into your luggage when traveling. The dry top is shaped similar to a shark fin, allowing it to move easily. Low-profile design. Flexible tube. A shark fin allowing. Number 5. Maer's Ergo Scuba Diving, even during longer trips. Cleaning the snorkel is easy with a one-way purge valve. Many dry snorkel reviews are raving about the lightweight design of this snorkel, making it easier than ever to travel with. The flexible tube allows it to even fit in your carry-on bag. Comfortable rubber molded mouthpiece. Lightweight. Available in many different colors. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search Best Dry Snorkels or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 4. Phantom Aquatics Dry Snorkel, double mouthpiece with extends its life, also making it perfect for a family of divers. This setup is small enough to fit in a day bag, so you are always able to jump in the water. The tube is easy to purge and even includes a self-draining chamber, making sure you have zero water in your snorkel. Self-draining chamber. Comfortable mouthpiece. Tube is easy to purge. Number 3. Sealbuddy Maui Frameless. Instead of using a float like other snorkels, the Sealbuddy Maui snorkel uses a ball which reduces buoyancy. Using high-quality materials ensure that not only your dry snorkel, but also the mask, will stand up to the salt water of the ocean and last for years to come. Includes mask, carrying bag and snorkel. Lifetime customer support. Number 2. Cressi Alpha Ultra, of experience. This dry snorkel has been a culmination of this experience. High-end materials and advanced technology have created this dry snorkel to not only exceed your expectations but also look stylish. Its lightweight design and flexible material reduces. Lightweight design. Automatic float mechanism. Only exceed your expectations. Number 1. Cressy Supernova, a tube that will move with you, ensuring you can turn your head to see all the fish without the dreaded jaw fatigue. This Cressy option is great for travel as it folds into a compact size to fit easily with your luggage. The bottom of the dry snorkel features an easy-to-clean one-way purge valve. Easy-to-clean purge valve. Flexible mouthpiece. Loads of colors available. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search Best Dry Snorkels or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.